Next application is LUSAS. LUSAS Civil and Structural is a worldwide leading finite element analysis software application for the analysis, design and assessment of all types of civil structures. Whether you need to carry out a straightforward linear static analysis of a simple structural frame, a dynamic analysis of a masonry or concrete building, or a detailed geometrically non-linear stacked erection analysis of a cable-stayed structure, LUSAS Civil and Structural provides all the facilities you need. We developed, market and support a range of engineering analysis software products, all based upon the LUSAS finite element analysis system. LUSAS software products can solve all types of linear and non-linear stress, dynamic, composite and thermal engineering analytic problems across a range of engineering industries. LUSAS consultancy service solved a wide range of analysis problems for clients in all engineering industries. This is diagram of LUSAS. Next one is BricsCAD. BricsCAD is a software for computer aided design CAD developed by Bricks NV. BricsCAD is an all-in-one computer aided design, that is CAD software that combines 3D modeling and 2D CAD for drawing. It is a less popular platform that provides all DWG, all drawings, 2D CAD features while bringing the convenience of the powerful 3D modeling and time saving mode. The program is expertly crafted with engineers in mind to support efficient execution of all projects. The application provides intuitive modeling and drawing solutions and is available in 3 editions, namely Classic, Pro and Platinum. It's also open to third-party developers, making it an ideal solution for users looking to scale past the AutoCAD horizon. Some of its key features include an intelligent quad cursor, setting manager, drawing explorer, doctable panel, layer and content browsers, web map services, dynamic arrays, innovative scales, dynamic dimension and 3D modeling. This is picture of software of BricsCAD. Our next software is Estimate Master. Estimate Master is fully featured construction management software designed to serve enterprises, startups. Estimate Master provides end-to-end solutions designed for web apps. This online construction management system offers accounting integration, audit trail, historical database, project management, reporting, analytical at one place. A general purpose estimating tool for any business, adaptable to different types of businesses by virtue of an open database, customizable and cost basis categories. Optimally work with QuickBooks, produce former customer bid, can also produce subcontractor work orders from the estimates. Estimate Master work on Schedule Master, which turn you completed estimates in schedules. So this is the picture of a software of Estimate Master. Next application is Proist. Proist is a cloud-based construction estimating solutions that offers automated feature for construction companies of all sizes. Proist enables construction teams to monitor and manage centralized estimates, takeoffs, reports and contracts, and all information can be accessed and shared 24/7 from any internet connected mobile device. Dashboards offers a look at relevant KPIs so users can measure, evaluate and control business performance throughout the project lifecycle. And construction databases provide current costing and productivity data. Proist also offers visibility into the future by tracking pending projects, updating estimate pipelines and creating accurate short and long-term business forecast. Proist is available on an annual subscription basis that support unlimited users. This is Proist software page. Next application is Vinist. With a proven record of continually developing the art and science of cost estimating technology, Vinist serves the quantity takeoff and cost estimating needs of building construction clients, large and small, and all around the globe. Trimble Vinist serves the complete range of industry reaches and customers, from regional single office builder to global general contractors, facility owners, specialty contractors, public government agencies and more. Vinist is an on-premise database driven estimating solution that helps estimators in businesses across various industries to manage and integrate project estimate using cost knowledge management. Key features include construction takeoffs, estimating, audit trails and reporting. Users can set up project estimate from scratch or with a project type templates that follows corporate standards for general condition and indirect costs. The solution database structure allows tracking of the audit trail for changes to the estimate. The entire estimate can be filtered to make a final review of the alerts. It also allows users to come up with what if scenarios by creating alternatives like landscaping, a surveillance system, a sound system, or a flagpole. Vinist provides organizations various methods to code their estimating data by CSI, master format and uniformat. The solution seamlessly integrates with various accounting projects, scheduling, project management and CAD solutions. Support is offered via phone, email and through other online resources. This is a page of Vinist. Next one is Clear Estimate. Clear Estimate is an easy to use residential remodeling estimating program that allows you to quickly determine a project cost, manage and customize a part database, maintain a customer and project library, produce several types of reports and proposals, process change orders, integrate with QuickBooks and assess up to date pricing specific to your area. Clear Estimate is a construction estimating system for remodeler and contractors, which allows them to create estimates, produce bid requests, draft proposals, manage customers, and more. It integrates with QuickBooks and allows users to export project estimate and customers information into the system. It also relies on a Remodel Max database for material and labor cost information. While originally intended for remodelers, this system can be customized to meet the needs of most trades such as home builders, design build firm, finishing contractors, roofing and siding contractors, and other specialty contractors. This is page of Clear Estimate. Next one is Procore. Procore manages your projects, resources and financials from project planning closeout. The platform connects every project contributors with the owner and general or specialty contractor. The centralized dashboard allows managers to handle project details, schedule tasks and review progress. It enables users to communicate across disparate teams, making it easier to work together by eliminating silos and establishing a single source of information. Procore gives your team access to everything they need to get their job done. It is available on monthly subscription and support is extended via phone, email, knowledge base and other online measures. This is the logo of Procore or front page of Procore application. Next application is Buildertrend. Buildertrend is a construction management system for home builders, remodelers, specialty contractors and general contractors. It combines project scheduling, project management, financial management, customer management and service management in a single suite. As a cloud-based platform, this system can be accessed online with a computer or mobile device. Buildertrend provides pre-sale tool including a built-in customer relationship management, that is CRM system, bids and proposals. Project management tools include scheduling, budgeting, timesheet and more. Customer management tools include change order and selection management, warranty, request and payment processing. This system also integrates with other solutions such as QuickBooks, Xero and various dedicated estimating and takeoff tools. Buildertrend provides each company with an account manager to provide training and support. This is picture of Buildertrend. Next software is Building Management System, that is BMS. Building Management System is software that allow users to monitor and control equipment within a building. A well-structured and user-friendly BMS ensures easy operation of building and allows insight into all building systems. Optergy's built-in applications enable contextual display, smart alarming and analysis. Optergy's software allows integration with BACnet and Modbus protocols, the industry's standard for HVAC equipment. Using a common web browser and a mobile device, user can stay connected and have full control over the building assets. This is a picture of building management system. Next one is plant design. and Management System, that is PDMS. It is specially used for modeling. PDMS, that is Plant Design Management System, as it is known in the 3D CAD industry, is a customizable, multi-user and multidiscipline engineer control design software package for engineering, design and construction project in offshore and onshore. PDMS is also used for engineering, design, construction project, chemical and process plant, water treatment plants, power plants, paper and pulp manufacturing. PDMS also has a marine application as well. Equipment and piping modeling, preparation of 3D piping layout with ducting layout drawings, reference to PAN ID and 2D piping layout, creation of equipment model using existing paper drawing or static CAD files, 3D modeling of equipment piping structures, instrumentation and other facilities, and extraction of detailed construction drawing and documents. Structural modeling, HVAC, cable tray and cabling system. Isometric generation and spooler, preparation of isometric drawing of piping route for bill of quantity and creation of second draft and isometric drawing using PDMS. This is a front page of PDMS software. Next one is Building Information Modeling, that is BIM. Building Information Modeling can be termed as one of the 21st century's greatest innovation, helping bring big infrastructure projects. Building Information Modeling is an intelligent 3D model based process that gives architecture engineers and construction professionals the insight and tool to more efficiently plan, design, construct and manage building and infrastructure. This is application of BIM. Next software is Primavera Pro. Primavera Pro is mainly used for project management. Primavera is a construction planning and scheduling software. It is opted by almost greater than 70% of all planning and scheduling professionals. MS Office also offering similar software by name MS Project. Primavera offers best-in-class solutions focused on the mission critical PPM requirement of key vertical industries including engineering and construction, public sector, aerospace and defense, utilities, oil and gas, manufacturing and high tech and IT and services. Primavera PPM products together with Oracle's project financials, human resources, supply chain management, product lifecycle management, business intelligence and infrastructure software are expected to provide the first comprehensive enterprises project portfolio management solution. This solution is expected to help companies optimize resources and the supply chain, reduce cost, manage changes, meet delivery dates and ultimately make better decisions, all by using real-time data. Here are the uses in industry: to design and analysis, structural design consultancies and firm, project planning and consultants. This is Primavera software. And very last is Microsoft Project, that is MSP. This is particularly used for project management. Microsoft Project is a project management software. It is developed and sold by Microsoft. It is designed to assist a project manager developing a plan, managing a budget, and analyzing workload. At resources are assigned to task and assignment work estimated, the program calculates the cost equal to the work times the rates. This is a page showing Microsoft project software is working. So here your first chapter is over. In next session we will start with our second chapter. Thank you.